Good day, friends. Welcome back to the MaxBot channel. I will conduct trades with the help of neural network with a passability of 90% on average. I give you 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. Now I will conduct a trade with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, time frame 2 minutes, investment $150. The first signal from artificial intelligence, on lower. You need to press the red button on the broker's website. Also in the message, the robot indicated that now the news background and volatility is reduced. And now I will break down the logic of the bot's signal with the help of technical analysis. So, on the tick volume indicator we can see frequent activity of sellers during 2 hours. It also becomes noticeable if we mark powerful resistance areas on the chart and draw a corridor. The general situation is such that the price came out of the sideways movement into the downtrend, after which the sideways movement started again. I think that now there will be a rebound from the resistance area and the price will move down again, and this will be enough to close the trade in the plus on the 2-minute expiry time. I think that the bear's potential has not been fully realized yet and they have accumulated enough volumes. We are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 1 winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content there that will help you develop your skills and thinking. Subscribe soon. Meanwhile, the trade closed in the plus side, $136.50 profit. The signal from the neural network and my technical analysis were accurate. Now I'm going to change currency pairs for a change. The new option is the euro and the US dollar. I will enter the market with $200. 2 keystrokes in the menu and the artificial intelligence processes the data very quickly and gives a forecast, higher side. The news has a strong influence on this currency pair right now. Volatility is elevated at the moment. It is time to look at the historical data. Now I will once again try to understand the logic of the neural network and get to the point of why the signal is on the higher side. The robot is able to use 30 indicators, technical and candlestick analysis and price action, and also in the full version it provides signals without limits. So, pay attention to the chart. After a long corridor with reduced volatility and consolidation, the price started a sharp movement lower, followed by an even sharper movement up, thanks to the increased volume of buyers, which can be seen on the volume indicator. After that the sellers started to offer resistance, but I believe that the bulls' volumes will play a decisive role for a short period of time. I think that within the 2-minute expiry time we will be able to close the trade in the plus, and the situation on the chart will be more like a flat. Let's wait for the end of the trade. By the way, after buying a bot, you will be in a closed VIP chat where market analytics is conducted. There, our experienced specialists analyze various market situations and share new signals. Follow the link in the description and get 3 signals for free. Then buy the robot with a huge discount. I remind you that there are only 10 places left for this discount. And now on the screen you can see feedback from traders who have significantly increased their profits thanks to MaxBot. Join the large community of successful traders who know how to use neural networks to the fullest. And the deal closes safely. The sideways movement is much higher than the entry point. So, the bot's forecast and my technical analysis are accurate again. $180 came to the real account. It's time to make the final trade to consolidate the success and increase the profit. I will work with the currency pair US dollar, Japanese yen. The amount of market entry $300. I get a recommendation from the neural network very quickly. It gives it out in 3 seconds. Lower. Reduced volatility and little news background. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. And now I will analyze the situation once again using historical data as an example. Always pay close attention to technical and fundamental analysis because these points are key in analytics. Yes, you can help yourself with indicators and additional knowledge, but you should start your development with technical analysis and observation of fundamental events. A top trader is always a great analyst. So, there was a consolidation process on the chart for a long time, when support and resistance areas equalized the influence of bulls and bears. During the last half an hour there were changes, when sellers accumulated significant volumes and started to move the price lower. I believe that now there are no prerequisites for a trend reversal. A small bounce from the resistance area and another lower and sideways price movement is possible. I am sure that on the 2-minute time frame this will be enough to successfully complete the trade and take another profit. Friends, the robot is capable of tripling your deposit on the first day. The investment that you will make with a 90% discount in its purchase will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. I'm sure of it. You can see the results for yourself, right now. Another great advantage of the bot is the over-the-counter trading option. You can trade with OTC currency pairs when the exchanges are asleep, on holidays and weekends. To get a list of 27 OTC currency pairs, simply send the bot the command /OTC. In the meantime, the trade closes in the plus. $255. Total profit for today is $571.50. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to keep up to date with new events from the world of trading and neural networks. See you soon.